To make this vase you need paper tubes, scissors, a thin needle and glue. To make these paper tubes, divide an A4 size paper in 4 parts and roll using a thin needle. Paint these tubes to get colored tubes. Also you need a form to give shape to the vase. For this, take 2 thin cardboard, wrap them around a bottle, mark at the edges. Use tape to attach the 2 cardboards. Insert the bottle inside and add some clothes to give support. Take 8 white tubes, lock these tubes below each other. Take a green tube and bend it in half. Now cross the tubes to bring the lower tube up and take the upper tube below. Continue weaving in this manner. After one round is complete, weave with individual tubes. Spread the tubes evenly. The base is complete. Place the form and bend these tubes upwards. Now continue weaving. After completing a white row, add a green row. Cut one of the tubes and insert it inside. Change the other tube to white. Now weave using a single tube. For weaving with single tube, we need odd number of poles. Make space and add another tube. Cut the extra pole and insert green tube. Also change the weaving tube to green. Continue weaving using 2 tubes. Insert this tube inside. Apply glue and cut extra length.